This is pony number 1. This is pony will be yellow color. First she will be orange, then she will be yellow color. This is her body and her wings, body, leg 3 and 4, and her tail, and your eyes. First color black, your eyes. Yellow, no, green, a little green. Now your body will be yellow color. Your head, your neck, your wings, your leg 1, 2, 3 and 4. Your ear, nose, your smile, your hair, hair, tail, your tail,